Welcome to the ScrapeGraphAI playground. Here you can test the three different endpoints. Let's see Smartscraper. Smartscraper provides simple data extraction, providing a URL and also a simple prompt. Let's see it in action. So let's assume we want to extract the founders from this website. With a simple prompt, you are able to extract the founders from this website. Here, the JSON schema with the data. So if you want to integrate this in your data extraction pipeline, you can click code, and here you have the code that you can implement in your data pipeline. We are providing Python, JavaScript, and core support.